Have you been battling with stubborn belly fat and looking for ways to get rid of this fat? On today's recipe, I'm going to be showing you a smoothie or juice that you can use to reduce stubborn belly fat. Yeah, we'll be making pineapple and ginger detox. Pineapple and ginger detox. We'll start by cutting our pineapple into chunks. You know, pineapple is rich with lots of antioxidants. Pineapple improves digestion. Pineapple boosts immunity. There are lots and lots of health benefits that these fruits have. But you know, today we're focusing on its effects in getting rid of belly fat. So here is it. Here's the recipe. You cut half pineapple into chunks, and next we'll cut a cucumber. Yeah, cucumber is very, very essential in this recipe. Cucumber also aids digestion. Cucumber is rich in vitamin A, B, B6, C, D. It's rich in calcium, rich in magnesium, rich in potassium. So you see, most of these fruits we're using are highly nutritious. Next is our lemon. A lemon, we'll peel off the skin of the lemon, and then we'll go with our ginger. Ginger aids digestion process. It improves immunity. It aids in weight loss. It also prevents cardiovascular disease. But don't forget that we're focusing on getting rid of stubborn belly fat. So after chopping all these ingredients listed, we pour everything into a blender and then add a cup of water to it. You know, the water is what we use to aid the blending of this whole fruit. We're going to be consuming this in two forms. The first is as a juice, and the second is as a smoothie. If you've watched to this point, please don't forget to like, share, leave nice comments, and try out the recipe. Okay, the next is the smoothie form. In the smoothie form, we do not sieve it. We consume it the same way it was blended, with all its fiber intact. Alright, we've come to the end of our video. Please don't forget to like, share, and leave nice comments. See you in my next video. Be good and stay healthy.